Samsung Galaxy A8 2018 is not a successor to a particular A-series phone. It's more of a trimmed Galaxy S8 version for the masses with matching design, screen, and the current number 8. Or so Samsung would have us believe. Indeed, Samsung is changing its naming convention once again. While before the number denoted the physical size of the phone in the mid-range class, now it has come to show the generation it comes in, and we're up to Gen 8 if the S and Note series serve as any guidance. That's not to say that the Galaxy A8 2018 doesn't have a predecessor. It's the Galaxy A5 2017. And the new phone is an upgrade in almost all respects except perhaps for the main camera. Visually, the A8 is indeed closer to the S8. The similarly shaped and sized curved glass sandwich design, the tall AMOLED screen, and the fingerprint on the back are some of the features which show the close relation between the Galaxy A8 and the S8. There is even a notable selfie upgrade. The A8 now comes with a dual camera at the front with a variety of effects, including portrait photos with defocused background. The Galaxy A8 2018 seems like a thoughtful alternative to the headliner without losing much of the S8's charm. And if the price is right, then Samsung may have done an excellent S8 Lite model design. The Galaxy A8 2018 would probably go down in history as the phone to fix the badly placed fingerprint scanner for Samsung's phone portfolio. It may look like a Galaxy S8 and have the whole flagship vibe, but the balance on the back has been restored. The fingerprint sensor is now conveniently positioned under the main camera. The new placement aside, the biometric sensor is always on, fast and very accurate. The latter is pretty UCH guaranteed by the lengthy setup process with more than the usual number of taps. The slightly curved AMOLED display is one of the biggest treats. It's sporting the cool 18.59 aspect ratio thou. The resolution of 1080p is slightly lower than the S8's 1440p. The screen has the same round corners as seen on the flagship model, but while both phones are similar in size, the A8's display is 0.2 smaller than the 5.8 unit on the S8. Speaking of sizes, the Galaxy A8 is thicker and 20 grams heavier than the S8. The A8's screen bezels are obviously bigger, though it's nothing major to hurt the otherwise sleek design. The top bezel is jam-packed with stuff: the earpiece, the two selfie snappers, a bunch of sensors, and even a notification LED. The bottom has nothing though. There is no pressure sensitive home key on the screen of the Galaxy A8 2018. It's one of the things the S8 series will be keeping as an exclusive. The Galaxy A series was treated to IP67 grade ingress sealing in 2017, and the trend continues onto the 2018 editions. And no cards were lost in the process. Even on the dual SIM version of the A8 2018, you don't have to sacrifice storage expansion for a second SIM. We definitely appreciate the dedicated micro SD slot. Finally, the loudspeaker on the Galaxy A8 2018 is on the right side, above the power button. It looked like an odd placement when Samsung introduced it on last year's A series. But we've come to accept it after it also became the choice for positioning on the J series of 2017 as well. The new tall screen aspect ratio is the first bridge between the Galaxy A and S lineups. For better or worse, this screen ratio has become the hottest trend of 2017, and it's not going away. Naturally, Samsung has to cater to the user's demands, and S8 S18.59 Infinity AMOLED is now premiering on the Galaxy A8 2018. The resolution has been lowered to fit the A-series profile. There are 1080 by 2220 pixels on the A8's screen, making for a flagship-grade 441 pixels per inch density. The image is sharp, there is no visible pixelization whatsoever, and the diamond pentile pattern of the matrix is invisible to the naked eye. We expected the Galaxy A8 to post similar numbers in the tests as the most recent Samsung we've tested, the J7 Pro, and indeed it did. Maximum brightness in manual mode is reasonable at 390 nits. In auto mode, just like the J7 Pro, the A8 gets a healthy boost up to 590 nits. Just like any recent Samsung AMOLED, the one on the A8 scored an excellent mark in our sunlight legibility test. This makes the A8 2018 one of those phones to bring at the beach, especially now that there is ingress protection. Finally, there is one more display test to be aced. Samsung has been a master in color accuracy for quite some time, offering 3 different and very accurate color profiles: AVG Delta less than 2, Max Delta less than 4, sRGB, AMOLED Basic, Adobe RGB, AMOLED Photo, DCI-P3, AMOLED Cinema. There is also the default adaptive mode, which has the widest color gamut, and it is calibrated for popping, vivid colors, AVG delta of 6.1. So, the Galaxy A8 2018 not only comes with an immersive and high-res AMOLED screen, but its panel is nothing short of class-leading.